Hi everyone, welcome to Atheduring Genius, the exclusive online learning experience. So, I am your economic lecturer, Maleesha Herath. Today, we are going to take a quick introduction about your subject economics. Let me take you through your syllabus. The whole syllabus consists with 8 lessons. Now, let's see each lesson one by one. The first lesson is economic concepts and systems related to business environment. In this lesson, we will discuss about basic economic concepts like scarcity, choice, opportunity cost, like those things. Other than that, we will discuss about different economic systems, what an economic system is, those concepts. Not only that, at the latter part of the lesson, we will be discussing production possibility curves too. Your second chapter will be demand, supply, equilibrium and ways of government intervention. In this lesson, we will discuss consumer equilibrium through cardinal utility analysis and ordinal utility analysis. After that, you will be learning what is demand, what is supply, theory of demand, theory of supply, law of demand, law of supply, these kinds of concepts further. Not only that, we will cover elasticity of demand and what is consumer surplus is and what is producer surplus is. Our third chapter is behavior of production process and different market structures. In this lesson, we are going to discuss about long run production process, short run production process, law of diminishing marginal returns and law of return to scale. After that, we will discuss different market structures in this real world, like perfect competition, monopoly, monopolistic competition, and at last, the oligopolic market. The fourth chapter is national accounting and role of the government. Here we discuss about the circular flow of national income, national accounting, failure of the government, and the government intervention to the business activities. Your fifth lesson will be financial system, money and general price level. In this lesson, we will discuss about what's money, what are the types of money, demand for money and supply of the money. This is kind of a big lesson that you have to cover in your A-level syllabus too. Mainly, we will focus on the Central Bank of Sri Lanka, what are their objectives are, those kinds of areas. The sixth chapter is international trade and foreign exchange market. In this lesson, we are going to cover about concepts like what is international trade, advantages and disadvantages of international trade. After that, we will move to the balance payment part. The last part is the effect of foreign exchange depreciation and appreciation. The seventh and the last chapter of your economic syllabus is economic growth, development and new trends in the economy. In this lesson, we are going to discuss about economic growth, economic development, human development and what is sustainability development is. Finally, we will discuss new trends in Sri Lankan economy. So, this is our summary about the economic syllabus. I will discuss each of these chapters with you one by one. I'll catch up you all in the next video.